Hey everybody, Chris Bystead here, coming from beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Wanted to take a few minutes and present this wonderful Jayco trailer. It's got the Rocky Mountain edition, nice diamond plate at the front. This Jayco is a 212 QBW. It's lifted up a little bit, a little beefier. It's got a really nice thermal package in it. Solar on the side, and one of the great things about Jayco is you get this limited 2-year warranty bumper to bumper. It's super fantastic. We'll tell you more about that, but I want to show you the inside of this. It's a really cool floor plan. It gives you a little of everything. Come on in. Look at this nice wonderful queen size bed. Got plenty of room. Look at all that space underneath for storage, and you can have access to it right there. It's so nice. Plug-ins for your CPAP machines. Nice closets and storage places. Lights for everything. And you got a nice privacy curtain here for your comfort. If you take a look, it's a wonderful bathroom. It's got a little tub there. If you've got a little kiddo that needs a bath, you can do that, or a pet. It makes it really nice. Skylight on the inside, lots of light. Really neat little kitchen with a 3-burner cook stove. You got a microwave and an oven in this one, which is great, and a split sink with the sprayer. Check that out. Pretty nice unit. Really great countertop. What people love about these is you've got a really nice dinette right back here with all these windows in the rear where you have a beautiful view, and you also have a comfortable place to sit here, which is really great. This is a little jackknife, so it opens up just like that. You can turn it into a bed or a day bed. So gosh, you could sleep people here, here, and in the back, and plenty of storage and space for food. Look at that. Or if you've got a couple whatever you want to put in here, you've got lots of room to use it however you would like. Most people would use it for food because it's right here in the kitchen. You've got plenty of other storage in the back and a place for a TV. All of your CD player, DVD player, all your music inside and out, it's all provided for you with speakers. Fabulous trailer. I think you would love this. We've got several floor plans of these, so if you want to come down and talk to us, we'd love to show you around, and maybe this would be the right trailer for your family. So feel free to give me a call. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.